right, good morning everybody. We're here in the Hanover Messe in the Siemens booth and we're talking to Sascha. Welcome. We're talking about the digital data chain. Maybe we'll start with what exactly is it and what are some of the key benefits for process automation?
Definitely. So let's start with the customer pain point here.
Okay.
We have a huge challenge in process as well as in discrete industries. Our customers are wasting up to 80% of the entire process time finding the right product information on an instance level. So we are talking about serial number based information. Nothing modern, no family.
Right.
Right? And there are three reasons for it. Let's have a look. We have three major reasons. I hope you can see it with the camera. Sure. The first one is identification of an instance in the field. You notice nameplates?
Yes.
They're getting dirty, very difficult to read. So this is the first step. Then you need to find the right information after you identify the instance. And the right information is still a lot of time on paper. So paper got lost, got outdated,
right.
You're not able to find it. Then
or you find in a cabinet of 3 versions earlier.
Forget it. Right? And even if we go digital, all people say, hey, we are digital. All right, let's have a look. There's a product configuration. No standard product. Our customers, independent from which OEM, got a long list of relevant information or data. Let's call it data. Mm-hmm. And only a tiny piece is really relevant for the operation. So you have to be an expert to drill it down.
Right.
And the third reason why are they spending so much time? Exchanging data. Coming from an OEM like Siemens to an end customer like Bayer, BASF.
Right.
For example.
Pharma, yeah.
So you have a lot of stakeholders in between, like system integrators, EPCs, and so on. And you have to have a secure, high quality exchange of information. That's the beginning of the story.
Right. Thank you for the clarification, the pain points. Now, how do you help other companies innovate with this sort of a digital data chain?
Right. So first up, there are three pain points.
Right.
We have a recipe of 3 ingredients to solve this problem. First, our assets, like this one behind you, comes with a so-called identification link. So this is a QR code, which has a protected design, so you can find the right one, and give you instant access to your digital twin for this very asset. Not a type information, but instance information. First one. And then the information we are providing is based on international standards,
right,
like ECLASS, advanced. And then we have a service from Siemens called AssetFox. And what AssetFox does is, if you receive a product like this one at your gate,
right,
you scan this code, an automatic request comes to Siemens and requesting for the digital twin. And we are delivering this digital twin right into the target system of our customers. So this is the entire story. And so you're bringing down the wasted time from hours, days, down to minutes.
Thank you. That sounds like a lot of efficiency improvement and cost reduction there.
Definitely, yes.